Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can easily install YouTube application on your iPhone. Please friends, subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes and don't forget to write comments under this video. And let's get down to our topic. And first of all, friends, please open the App Store application on your iPhone. And then you'll need to go to the search section, which is on the bottom right-hand side. And then into the search box. Type in, please, the word YouTube. Next, friends, when you find it, please open this application. And here under the title, you will have the word install. Click on it. If you have some like PIN code on your phone, or you will need to keep the code from your Apple ID, enter that code or password. And the app will be installed on your phone. Downloading the app takes about 1, maximum 2 minutes, after which you can easily find the app data on your desktop. Friends, this is how you can install YouTube on your iPhone in a very quick and easy way. I really hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Please friends, put your likes, write your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.